Hey Jim, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And upon looking here, it's good to have some of these call to actions that helps with your conversion. Something that I would recommend is having more content on your main page. The reason for that is Google has crawlers and they're crawling the internet 24/7, and they are going through websites' content and they're looking for keywords. And so to be considered an authority with Google, you want to make sure you have at least 1,500 words on your main page with keywords embedded within them. And a quick example of a good keyword for you would be Tulsa Foundation Repair. This is being searched quite a bit every month. The first thing that pops up here are some ads. Now if we scroll down here, this section is called the Google Map Pack. And so you want to be in the top 3 here, because 30 to 40% of business goes into this section, and a lot of people don't tend to click on more businesses here. And so the way to beat out these other companies would be to have a Google business profile, and the main thing is to have more citations in them, which is just your business name, phone number, and address listed in other places. An example would be Yelp. Now if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so the other 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And so, let's see if I see you. So for this keyword here, I am not seeing you on the first page. And the first business is Eden Structural. You want to be in the top 3 here, just because same thing, a lot of people don't scroll down, let alone go to the next page. And let's take a look at Eden Structural's website. So they have some good call to actions here as well. But it looks like they also do not have enough content, so that'd be something that you could easily up your content. But on the back end, let's take a look at Eden Structural. So I plugged in their URL into Ahrefs, and so this is going to give us some ratings that Google gives out. And the UR and the DR, this is authority and trust that Google is giving this rating for their website. They have a 38 and a 31. What makes these numbers up are backlinks, and backlinks come from referring domains. So a backlink is just one website linking to yours. It's kind of like a shout out. But not all backlinks are created equal. So spammy backlinks will bring these numbers down. So you want to make sure you have good backlinks. And they have over 10,000 keywords on their website. Now I have Jim's Foundation Repair plugged in here. And the UR11DR0.1, which comes from 111 backlinks from 16 domains. And there's 5 organic keywords here. So what we want to do is we want to get you some more backlinks and put more keywords on your page. One way to get more backlinks is to go into Eden Structural, and then you would take the backlinks that they have that are working for them. So any good quality backlinks from good referring domains, we would just refer them to yours. We would just have that shout out go to your website as well. So with their organic keywords, let's take a look at what some of their traffic looks like. So they're getting traffic. So these are not buyer intent keywords, so I'm going to skip these. Foundation Repair Tulsa, 400 people are searching for this every month. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350 people a month. And a lot of these are just not necessarily buyer intent keywords, but we could keep looking through here, and there are a ton of buyer intent keywords. Just from those 2 there, just a little under 1,000 people a month are searching for those 2 keywords every month. And so if you just want to up your content, make sure to have some good backlinks. That way your website is ranking. And then make sure your Google business profile is ranking in the Google Map Pack section. That way you have more eyes on your website, because the more eyes on your website, the more people will be converting to your customers. And if you ever need any help with that, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.